Imagine a future where every electric vehicle charges in minutes, lasts for decades, and costs less than your average smartphone. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, not anymore, because Elon Musk has just pulled back the curtain on a bold new plan, one that could permanently bury gas-powered vehicles and catapult Tesla years ahead of its rivals. What he's working on isn't just another upgrade, it's a full-blown revolution, and companies like Toyota and BYD are already scrambling to catch up. This time the game changer isn't a car, it's what powers it. In a rare and electrifying interview, Musk hinted that the world's transition to fully electric vehicles is no longer a distant dream, it's a rapidly unfolding reality. But he didn't stop there. He revealed that Tesla is now deploying an entirely new strategy anchored by a groundbreaking battery technology that's quietly being perfected behind closed doors. It's called the 4680 cell, and it's not just better. It's a complete reset of how EVs will be built, sold, and lived with. Now, before we dive deep into why this battery is sending shockwaves across the auto industry, take a quick moment to tap that subscribe button. If you're as fascinated by Tesla's vision of the future as we are, you'll want to be part of every step in this electric journey. So, what exactly is the 4680 cell? And why are experts calling it the biggest leap since the lithium-ion battery itself? Let's rewind a little. For years, Tesla relied on suppliers like Panasonic and LG to source its battery cells. But Musk, always the strategist, realized that to truly control Tesla's destiny, he had to build the beating heart of the EV himself, from scratch. That meant designing, producing, and refining every single cell in-house. The result is the 4680 battery cell, a fatter, denser, and dramatically more efficient evolution of everything that came before. It's built in a cylindrical shape, yes, but that's where the similarity ends. Inside, it's a marvel of engineering. It offers 5 times the energy, 6 times the power, and increases vehicle range by over 16%. And, just as importantly, it slashes the cost of battery production. What makes this breakthrough even more significant is Tesla's decision to localize the entire supply chain. Instead of relying on critical minerals from halfway around the world, Tesla is building cathode plants, lithium processing units, and refining centers, all within the United States. That means no more bottlenecks from China, no more price volatility, just a clean, streamlined pipeline from raw material to roaring electric power. Now, here's where it gets even more interesting. These advanced cells are already being integrated into Tesla's vehicles. The Model Y, one of Tesla's most popular SUVs, has begun receiving 4680 packs straight out of Giga Texas. The early results are lower weight, longer range, and cheaper manufacturing costs. Then there's the long-awaited Cybertruck, Tesla's futuristic pickup that looks like it rolled out of a sci-fi movie. This Cybertruck demands raw power, rapid acceleration, and rugged endurance, and the 4680 delivers on all 3 fronts. Early prototypes have shown off staggering performance, aided by the battery's improved thermal stability and lightning-fast charging. But the real revolution lies just ahead, with Tesla's most affordable car yet, the Model 2. Rumored to launch at under $25,000, this compact EV is designed to put electric mobility within reach of nearly every household. And none of that would be possible without the cost-cutting power of the 4680 cell. By turning the battery pack into the vehicle's structural foundation, Tesla not only reduces weight and material costs, but also redefines what an entry-level EV can be. Don't expect bare-bones functionality either. Early leaks suggest it'll deliver over 300 miles of range, support rapid charging, and come packed with Tesla's full self-driving hardware. So what does all this mean for legacy automakers? It's panic time. While other companies are still debating whether to build their own battery plants or keep outsourcing to Asia, Tesla is building a vertically integrated ecosystem, one where everything from mining to assembly happens under their roof. Ford, GM, Volkswagen, even the mighty Toyota, they're now chasing a moving target that keeps accelerating. And for competitors like BYD, who were once seen as serious threats in the Chinese market, Tesla's latest moves could be devastating. With the US government backing Musk's plan for domestic battery production and offering lucrative incentives for made-in-America EVs, the tide is turning fast. By next year, Tesla plans to roll out 46 80-powered vehicles from its factories in Texas, Nevada, and even Germany. Eventually, these cells will power the entire lineup, from high-performance roadsters to mass-market hatchback. The efficiency gains alone are expected to lower EV prices by up to 30%, while extending range beyond what today's customers even think is possible. So let's pause and consider what Musk is actually doing here. He's not just tweaking cars, he's reshaping global energy strategy. With a self-sufficient battery system, Tesla isn't just making better EVs, it's also minimizing geopolitical risk, boosting national manufacturing, and helping the US outpace China in the clean energy race. The ripple effect touches everything, from job creation and trade policy to grid infrastructure and environmental health. And if all of this sounds overwhelming, that's because it is. We're witnessing the birth of a new energy age, and Tesla is writing the rulebook. The only question now is, who else can keep up? Looking ahead, the next few years will be nothing short of explosive. As Tesla expands battery production and launches new models, expect prices to fall, ranges to rise, and charging times to vanish. The dream of an affordable, long-range EV that's built in your own country and costs less than a used SUV is no longer just a fantasy, it's becoming a fact. So, what part of this electric revolution excites you the most? Is it the idea of driving 700 kilometers on a single charge, watching legacy automakers scramble to reinvent themselves, or finally seeing an electric car that's as affordable as it is futuristic? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and if you haven't already, now's the perfect time to subscribe. We've got a front row seat to one of the greatest industrial transformations in history, and trust us, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.